Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 43. You have a diagram here illustrating a fishing tool. So we are using it to answer questions 43 and 44. So this is question 43. Now, the part which a bait is attached before lowering the tool in water is labeled A4, B3, C2, D1. Now, this fishing tool, of course, is usually known as the hook and line setup. Okay, the hook and line setup, and basically a rod is used, okay, and a line is attached, like a string. A line is attached and then a hook attached at the end of the line, and basically it is used for fishing as described. So the part labeled 1, okay, this part labeled 1 is known as the hook. The part labeled 2 is the float. The part labeled 3 is the line, and the part labeled 4 is the rod or the handle. Okay, so that's called the rod or the handle. Now the part which a bait is attached before lowering the tool in water is 1, the hook. So a bait such as a worm is attached around here, okay, attached around here to the hook, and what it does is for it to attract the fish so that the fish can be caught. So that part is labeled 1. So option D1 is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.